friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking diced chicken breast in the air fryer. What we need is cut up chicken breast, olive oil, and seasonings of your choice. I will use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and of course you can use any seasonings you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the chicken. So oil will keep it moist and also keep it from sticking to the air fryer. And now I'm going to sprinkle chicken with seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I'm going to toss it so it's coated with oil and seasoning. And now when the chicken is seasoned, I'm going to put it in the air fryer basket. And put it in a single layer. And now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's mix the chicken pieces so they cook evenly. So just break them apart and put them over. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let the chicken pieces finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this air fried diced chicken. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. See how easy it was to make it in the air fryer? The air fryer does all the work. Now to make sure they're fully cooked through, I do recommend using an instant beef thermometer for meat. So the temperature should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So just measure it for the thickest pieces. Yeah, it's over 165, so it's perfectly cooked. And if in your air fryer it's not cooked, sometimes some models take longer, or if you have more chicken it can take longer, you can just always put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 3 to 5 minutes or until cooked. So now my chicken is ready, and let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good it looks. So it really transformed plain chicken breast pieces into this delicious, perfectly seasoned, nicely browned chicken bites. Amazing, and so easy, and they're super healthy too. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut the big piece just to show you that they're perfectly cooked. So see, the meat inside is perfectly cooked. And now let's try it. Mmm. So good. They're very soft, very tender, perfectly seasoned. Amazing. You will love it. You can also mix them with some veggies for a complete meal, or serve over rice, or stir it into pasta. There's so many ways to enjoy it. This recipe can be eaten in so many different ways, and it's super simple, healthy, and delicious. To exchange more easy recipes like this, please join my new free cooking club, everydaycookingclub.com, where I personally answer your questions. And also, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, for a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!